1. Boosts immunity. Turmeric helps strengthen your immune system naturally. 2. Fights inflammation. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Improves digestion. Turmeric supports healthy digestion and reduces bloating. 4. Heals wounds faster. It speeds up the healing process of cuts and wounds. 5. Controls blood sugar. Turmeric helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. 6. Lowers cholesterol. It can reduce bad cholesterol and improve heart health. 7. Supports liver function. Turmeric detoxifies the liver and improves its function. 8. Relieves arthritis pain. Its anti-inflammatory effects ease joint pain. 9. Improves brain function. It may boost memory and reduce risk of brain diseases. 10. Fights depression. Curcumin in turmeric has mood-lifting effects. 11. Promotes heart health. Helps keep your heart and blood vessels healthy. 12. Aids weight loss. It helps boost metabolism and fat burning. 13. Treats skin problems. Great for acne, eczema, and glowing skin. 14. Anti-aging properties. Fights free radicals and slows down aging. 15. Supports healthy joints. Keeps joints flexible and pain-free. 16. Natural pain reliever. Works as a natural alternative to painkillers. 17. Improves respiratory health. Helps with asthma, coughs, and colds. 18. Strengthens bones. Helps in maintaining bone health. 19. Fights infections. Acts as a natural antibiotic. 20. Reduces menstrual pain. Provides relief from period cramps. 21. Improves sleep quality. Helps calm the mind and improve sleep. 22. Supports eye health. Prevents age-related vision problems. 23. Balances hormones. Helps in hormonal balance, especially in women. 24. Detoxifies the body. Removes toxins and cleanses the body. 25. Treats cold and flu. Powerful remedy for seasonal infections. 26. Natural antiseptic. Can be applied to wounds to prevent infection. 27. Improves skin complexion, brightens, and evens out skin tone. 28. Boosts energy levels, keeps you active and energized. 29. Improves gut health, supports a healthy gut and reduces gas. 30. Fights cancer cells. Studies show turmeric may help fight certain cancers.